Alright guys, so here we've got a 8-in-1 insulated electronic screwdriver kit. Comes with a little pouch to keep all the extras in. There's kind of how it's set up. So you can also adjust the length of these just by sliding them in and out. But that collar right there locks the blade, so you can take it out or make sure it doesn't fall out. So this is great for all you instrumentation guys, HVAC guys, controls technicians, maintenance guys, anybody really. I know you've been inside of a box that was too tight and you had to work on something and you accidentally arc off the side of the box and blow a relay or a fuse or pop a resistor or something. So I always use insulated precision screwdrivers, but this is a nice little kit, and I'll put a link in the description where you can get it below. Once again, this is 1,000 volt rated. It has a locking collar and comes with a pouch to put all the bits in. It's got some small Torx, it's got small Phillips, small flats, and pretty much includes anything you need. So y'all be sure to check the description, and if you're enjoying our channel, be sure to like and comment, but take this time to smash that subscribe. That helps us more than anything, and be sure to check back. Y'all have a great day.